Hi guys! Different animals live in different habitats. Some animals live on a farm. So let's see who lives in a farm. Let's start from the chicken. Chicken, it's good for soup. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Goat. Goat also gives us milk. Donkey. Donkey carries stuff. Duck. Duck gives us eggs and delicious meat. Pig. Pigs are dirty, but they're funny and they have a lot of fat. Goose. Goose. I don't know what to say about goose, but it's white and the name goose is on vodka bottle. Horse. Horse. We can ride on horse. And sheep. Sheep basically gives us. And sheep. Sheep gives us wool to make clothes. So just now we learned a little bit about farm animals. So let's say again: chicken, cow, goat, pig, duck, donkey, goose, horse, sheep.